Hello. Welcome to Chaos Gardening and DIY. If you've been here before, welcome back. If it's your first time, nice to meet you. Today's going to be a really chaotic day, of course. When is it not? So, I'm going to try to stay in order. First day, little recap. We made our long walls that are going to go against the house and the shed out of pallets. And then we're making the pretty walls that are facing the audience, people that come over out of leftover lumber that we had for a project that I did. I need to make mix for my grow bags because I need to dig everything out so I can clear all this space out, somewhat level it up as much as I can. My beds are sitting sideways. We got to fix that. So I'm going to make the mix and then I'm going to take all this dirt out. I know y'all watched me fill this up like a month ago, right? Okay, just checking that. So I'm going to clear everything out right here. I'm going to get such a workout. I'm going to be so sore tomorrow, but it's okay. That's part of the reason why I do this, to try to get in shape. Will it get done today? Who knows? Am I going to try? Yes. So let's go get her done. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and grab our materials.
Cow shit is heavy.
I already broke down like two or a few bricks of cocoa coir in here. I fell off this fence the other day. I was making this trellis for my tomatoes and I couldn't reach to put the pole on top. So I grabbed onto the fence and I put my foot right there and I slipped off. And make sure these bricks broke down on the way. It's gonna be harder to mix if not. I like to do it with my hands. And this manure. We'll take these out there with our hands. This isn't a great idea, if I'm being honest, because it's hard. Okay, new plan. All right. It is 1 equal parts cocoa coir or peat moss. I mix both. An equal part of manure, compost, so on, and another part perlite. Okay, now need my phone to turn on the water. This is what it's supposed to look like, but I don't know. Sometimes they look like this, sometimes they don't. It's the same brand, but also I've had that other bag way longer and out in the sun, so maybe it's my fault. Okay. Put this out. All right. Just feel like I can do a better job with my hands. I think I'm gonna do it. See, couldn't do this with that rake, boy. Can't sift through it with the mixer. Good old fashioned elbow grease. I just like playing with the dirt anyway. So a few weeks ago, I actually started filling out my grow bags, but with organic material like my grass clippings, leaves, and straw. And so it's been maybe like 4 weeks that it's been just sitting in there, and I just come and wet it so it can like break down and stuff. So I did that for the fall season. That was my first fall, and it worked out so well for me. So, well, for the fall, I did it like all the same day. Like I filled it up with the organic matter and this mix. The problem was, obviously, it went down after like a few days, maybe a week or two. But, and so I was like, for the tomatoes, I was able to, top it off because they grow roots on the stem. But the other ones just kind of had to stay like that. But it still worked out. So I decided to start the organic matter process early. I just like how they say it feeds your plants. I want my plants to get fed, and it's less fertilizer I gotta buy, right? So that's my plan, my goal eventually, to just use compost and manure. I get horse manure delivered to me. I've had some sitting there for months, so hopefully it'll be ready to use maybe for um this fall coming. I don't trust it yet because I don't know what I'm doing. Can y'all tell me when manure's ready? If I don't flip it, I flipped it like maybe for like 2 weeks, and then I just didn't. Get on the other side. So this is how I do it. I just push it up against this. That's why it's important to sift and have this big old thing of manure. Usually I use my wagon, and I'll put this over my wagon, and then I just grab piles and do that. But I need my wagon while this sits here for a little bit because I'm gonna get it moist. Oh wait, I didn't even show y'all, so I got distracted. Okay, move all this back again. Okay, we're gonna move this back so we don't defeat the purpose, ow, of letting big organic matter into our mix to disturb our roots. Okay, so we can completely break down stuff. So I move it back, and then I just keep going. Make sure your surface is flat, because obviously mine is not. Okay, like that. Just keep going. Just toss it on there. Rub it. Rub it. Rub it. And rub it. Okay. So look at the difference. How crumbly, fluffy, and light this is compared to this. Okay, let me finish. I'll be right back. Luckily, what I really got to move is garlic, and they don't mind being moved around. What I'm worried about is my Brussels sprouts. I don't know if those like to be moved around. My carrots should be ready to harvest, so I'll be harvesting those today. And that's pretty much it. It's just garlic and Brussels sprouts, carrots. I got a cabbage, I think, and kale. One kale plant. Okay. Anyways, we'll do that here in a minute. I'm almost done. Whoa. Don't look at my butt. My husband will not like that. Ace Boogie. Ace Boogie. What are you doing, boy? ¿Tú qué? Granular fertilizer. A little bit of 10-10-10 and bone meal. Grab a handful of each and mix it in the top few inches. I'm going to redo this when I put my tomatoes in. Oh, comfy, sir? It's in, it's in. This is where I fell off from. I was putting that pole up. Hey, get out of there. Go lay down. He's my gardening partner. I love him. Love bringing him out here with me. He just hangs out. He don't bother me. He don't pee on stuff like the other fluffy one. You to chill here or what? You're to follow me. Over here, camera. So cool. All right. Let's get down to business. Take out this irrigation. Over here, camera. I'm so scared. But I've already done this. I don't know why I'm scared. So, I'm just going to pop these right out. So you can see the root. Okay, see. Just gonna tease it out of there. I don't want to mess with it too much. Do you know what deep? There it goes. I'm not gonna lie, that one sounded like it snapped a little bit. I'll probably try to save some of these carrots, but I doubt I can. You know what? Be successful? We don't know. Okay, I can see them. Just gonna put on top right there. Just a few, not all of them, because let's be real. Get the roots on this. Woo! Whoops. Forgot we're supposed to try to save these. I literally just moved these so they're not like too stuck. So that's good, I guess. Sorry, carrots. We're gonna forget about these right here. Okay, I'll dump these right here. They survive, they survive. I'm not gonna put too much effort into that. Leave me alone! Or I fucking spray you. Hate bees. Which is exactly why I'm doing an enclosed garden. I'm okay. My dog heard me scream. Carrots. These don't really like being messed with, so I'm not too confident they will survive. But this is a whole row of carrots right here. Try it out. I don't even know what this is. Sepa la madre.
Oh, there's a bunch of carrots right here. Try to save them from the bottom. See all those carrots? Okay, that's all we're saving. Woohoo! Okay.
Are we supposed to do it all the way to the white part? I think I saw that somewhere, but I'm not too sure. Just do that. Doing pretty close together since we're gonna take them out again when I'm done with these beds, so it'll be okay. Okay.
I came inside for some lunch. I made mole. Everything I make is from scratch. So I am excited to be able to show you all that with the stuff I grow in my garden one day. But yeah, just wanted to show y'all my masterpiece. I put the sauce on top, so ignore the bare pieces.
Ooh, there's a steak. More eggs. Oh, look at all the Mr. Earthworms. Ugh. 4. No, sir, Bob. You're not fucking staying in here. You ate all my pumpkins, you bitch. Where'd it go? Oh, there you are. Oh, I already cut it in half. Fucking little asshole. 4. No bueno. I used to have hella logs under here. I guess they all deteriorated.
Ay, ay, ay. It's gonna fall. Oh, there's my logs. Y'all following me still? Okay. TikTok shot always gets me. Excuse you, sir. Move. Thank you. Okay, it's good enough. I think my phone was inside charging when I took this apart. I just unscrewed it all. That's it. Nothing special.
can get out of my way. I'm still debating if I want to remove this or not. Kind of want to leave it, so we'll see. Kind of want to leave it for support, because I don't know what I'm doing. But hopefully y'all can help me out a little bit. Point of this channel, while I redo my DIYs about 5 times till I figure out what I'm doing. Dogs. So I have some bags of sand. I don't think it'll be enough to like level the whole thing out. So I'm thinking that I'm just gonna like level out the beds and leave like the pathways on a slope. I don't know. Might be kind of cool. Maybe not. We'll see. There's other ways I can level this out without getting much. Let me know. There's a few ways that I've seen that I would like to try. I think I'm gonna try like 2 different ones or 3 different ones on these because I'm gonna have 3 big beds, and then from there I'll see which one works out the best because I probably won't fill these up until next week sometime, maybe, unless I figure it out sooner. My husband, when he came home the other day and I was doing all of this, he was like, "Is it gonna stay there or are you gonna move it again?" Sheesh. Gonna take advantage and put some gutters right there too, since I'm gonna move everything up the way. Be a nice little video as well. I put the gutters on the other side of my house. Okay, I'm lying. I built them, and my husband applied them because I'm scared of heights. For good reason. I fell off this damn fence. Where's my wire cutters? Is this a good idea? Y'all can let me know, but it'll be too late. Okay, all right. Here's for a little bit that goes away. I'm okay. Let's see if I even remember how to turn this thing on. It's been a minute. Gotta run for a little bit. Am I still recording? Okay. All right, guys. That's it for today. I can't even think no more. I've been out here since 11 and it is like probably 5 by now. So see y'all next time. Let me know what I can do in the comments because I probably won't be out here. Well, I'll probably come back out here tomorrow. Today is the 16th, 17th of February. Oh my God, it's my husband. I gotta go. Bye. Next step, see if they've gone to any gun stores and purchased any guns or anything that would be used in this type of a crime. So these are the things that are That's enough. You're gonna get into my roots.